Space-saving canister is perfect for smaller bathrooms. Canister doors pop open when plunger or brush is removed. Doors stay open until plunger or brush is replaced. Plunger works on all toilets, including low flow. Handle length, 22.75 inches. Material, plastic. Contoured handles provide a secure, comfortable grip. Our toilet brush plunger combo set keeps tools covered and discreet and features a compact footprint ideal for narrow spaces. Canister doors pop open and stay open when you remove either tool. When you're done cleaning, simply place the tool back in the canister. The doors close automatically. Top reviews from the United States. Keeps the plunger and brush near the toilet and clean looking. Love it. A bit pricey but well worth it. We have a low flush toilet and it often gets clogged with toilet paper. Kids just ream off the TP like there's no tomorrow. I love having the plunger right next to the toilet but is clean and sanitary. Even the handle of the plunger doesn't look like a typical gross plunger handle. Wasy to wipe down, hard white plastic. Toilet brush is the same. So neat looking, and the holder even has a drainage in the bottom so it isn't sitting in its own dirty water. Very nice, great design. Very happy with this purchase.